Welcome to the Deye Inverter teaching video. This video will guide you through the process of installing the Deye 3-phase high-voltage hybrid inverter and the Deye BOS-G Pro energy storage battery.
Unboxing. Before you begin the installation, please read the product manual carefully and check the types and quantities of accessories included in the package to ensure they are correct. If there are any issues, please contact your dealer promptly. Ready to install. When installing, please choose a vertical wall with sufficient load-bearing capacity. Ensure there is more than 500 millimeters of space around the product for heat dissipation. It is recommended that the inverter be installed at eye level for easy viewing and operation of the screen. Inverter mounting. Remove the inverter's back mounting plate from the packaging box. Place it in the predetermined installation position and ensure it is level. Mark the positions for the mounting brackets fixing holes on the wall. Drill holes at the marked positions with a 12 mm drill bit. Secure the back mounting plate with the expansion bolts included in the packaging. Lift the inverter and hang it onto the back mounting plate. Tighten the screws to secure the inverter in place. The inverter mounting is now complete. Battery assembly. Before assembling the battery, please first assemble the rack. Install the top beams on both sides of the rack. Secure them with hex head cap screws. Install the bottom beams on both sides of the rack. Secure them with hex head cap screws as well. Install the 4-foot cups at the bottom of the rack. Assemble the diagonal bracing and rack fasteners to complete the rack assembly. Place the battery modules onto the rack in the correct orientation. Connect the parallel and communication cables of the battery modules. The B port of the BMS box needs to be connected to the B port of the bottommost battery. Battery cable connection. Before wiring, please remove the metal cover on the front. Firstly, you need to prepare the battery power cables with appropriate cables. Strip the insulation from the front end of the cables. Use the battery connector accessories included to make the positive and negative cables. Connect the ends of the prepared battery cables to the power line ports of the inverter and the high voltage control box, respectively. Connect the BMS port of the hybrid inverter to the PCS port on the back of the high voltage control box. Please refer to this table to select the appropriate cables. AC cable connection. The hybrid inverter is designed with load ports, multifunctional gen ports, and grid ports. When connecting wires, rotate to loosen the sealing cap. This allows the cables to pass through easily. After the wiring is completed, retighten the sealing cap. Connect the AC cables according to the prompts inside the inverter body. A separate AC circuit breaker should be installed between the inverter and the grid. It is also recommended to install an AC circuit breaker between the load or diesel generator and the inverter. PV cable connection. Before connecting, ensure that the DC switch is in the off position. Use a multimeter to confirm the voltage and polarity of the PV connector. The voltage should be positive and within the inverter's allowed range. Connect the PV cables to the PV port at the bottom of the inverter. A suitable DC circuit breaker should be installed between the PV and the inverter. Current transformer connection. Install the AC current transformer on the live wire of the grid side, and confirm that the direction of the arrow on the AC current transformer points towards the inverter. Connect the AC current transformer according to the prompts in the manual. Connecting the electricity meter. There are two brands of electricity meters to choose from. The above are the recommended models.
Refer to the meter instruction to install the meter. When connecting the meter CT, the CT always faces towards the inverter. For other types of meters, please refer to the inverter manual or contact the Deye after-sales support team. Connect the RS485 port of the electricity meter to the meter port of the inverter.
Grounding connection. In addition to the AC side grounding, it is also recommended to ground the inverter casing separately. The ground holes of the housing should be ground to a separate ground bar. The grounding wire of the battery rack can be led into the inverter grounding bar or grounded separately. Communication connection. Connect the data logger to the inverter. Complete installation. After all cable connections are completed, check to ensure that all cable connections are correct and secure. Replace the metal cover plates that were removed during installation. Power on and commissioning. Use a multimeter to confirm that the PV voltage is within the inverter's allowable range. Then close the PV circuit breaker and open the inverter's DC switch. Close the battery circuit breaker and turn on the battery switch. Confirm the battery voltage range 160 volts to 800 volts. Adjust the multimeter to the AC voltage setting. Confirm the grid voltage 220 volts or 330 volts, 230 volts or 400 volts, and then close the grid side circuit breaker. Finally, press the inverter's start button. Wait for the inverter's indicator lights and screen to light up. Click on the gear icon in the upper right corner of the main interface. Enter the System Settings interface. Click to enter the battery settings page. Select lithium mode and enter the total battery capacity. Press the arrow to turn the page. Set lithium mode to 00. Choose the grid mode, standard and frequency for the product's installation region, and scroll down the menu for more detailed information. At this point, your hybrid inverter and battery have been initially set up. For assistance, please contact your local authorized service provider or Deye's official technical support.